Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by for my Stash Bash giveaway March kit. So as you can see, I am still set up for February. I'm actually going to transition out, but I want to share some items that I am using for the month of March for my kits. So I'm to have a Mod Podge of different products that I'm using. I've already set up my planner with Cocoa Daisy, so that is not my focus for this month. This month I'm focusing on some Planner Society stash that I have, some Simply Gilded stash, some Planners Anonymous stash, and I have a Happy Planner sticker book. I have a Maggie Holmes sticker book and some other things. So I didn't know if you wanted to go through the process of me taking everything out, putting it away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share some of the things that I have. Then I'm going to organize them. I'm going to pause this video, organize all the items, show you how I'm storing my items that were left over for February. And then, yeah, and then we're going to go from there. So first off, I'm going to show you my Maggie Holmes sticker book. So I just have an array of different stickers that are more springtime, things like that. So I'll be adding those to journals and different things. I also have this sticker book that I thought would go well with spring as well. So that, I have some, this is a Mod Podge of different months of stickers from Planners Anonymous. So I actually like to use these little stickers in like my journals and planners and things like that. So I'm going to be using some of that in my kit. I have this Simply Gilded Simplicity kit. So it has like a pen. I have a notepad, bows and a clip, the cards, journaling card, and then some stickers. And I know I'm probably not going to use all of this. Oh, I also have a sticker sheet from Lanús Pots that when I went to the PlannerCon Europe, I purchased this from her booth. So that's really cute. I thought that would look nice, spring colors. Then I have some items out of here. Now I know there's some things that I'm probably not going to use in these because I don't know how to use them and they're really cute. So I'll probably save them for another time. But I have like this little patch and a little enamel pin. I just have some stickers. This is from Happy Scrappy. So just like kind of a Mod Podge of little stickers and things like that I probably use in my journals. And then some more. And some more cute little stickers. I have some vellum and acetate from Simply Gilded. And some cute little sticker sheets that I probably use in my journals. Another sticker sheet. This is just a card. These cute little bow, what do they call them? Seals. Really cute. And this I'm probably going to save. I'm probably going to go ahead and put this away because this is like a stickers of like all her like sets that she had, her kits that she had. So I'm probably not going to use that. So I will put that away. This is a cute little card. I'm going to go ahead and put that away as well. I'm not going to add that. This is a basic book that came with the kit. Okay, and then from Planner Society, it's like from different months. Just like this enamel, or not enamel, but like a glitter sticker, more little clips and stuff, sticky notes, pockets. Let's see. This is, oh, I probably just stuck this in here because I thought the colors went good. And then some die cuts. And sometimes I keep the backings because I do things with the backings. Sticker sheets, puffy stickers, and just some leftover acetate and paper. And just so you know, if I have duplicates of anything, I will be putting that in the giveaway. This is from different kits, so this goes with this. So I think I have some doubles. I may have some doubles, I don't know. Oh, there goes the doubles. So I will definitely be putting some doubles in the giveaway. I keep these bags. I sometimes use them to like put pockets, just extra paper, acetate, some pretty vellum. Stickers, which I probably will give away a sheet or two of those. And then like things from Happy Scrappy. So I know I have doubles of some of these papers, so I'll be putting that to give away. Here's a little pen. And then I will definitely be putting this in the giveaway because I will probably use these for and then put those in the giveaway. And then I just threw these in here. These are some Tim Holtz sticker, phrase stickers. Here's the, let's see, banner stickers, Pink Fresh, and then some more acetate vellum. So if I don't use this now, this will probably be something that I put into my next kit. Piece of Ladybug acetate, and then more paper. So this kit is pretty paper heavy, but this month I do plan on using my die cutting machine. And then I'm not going to share this kit fully, but I'm going to use this because I am creating like a memory. This is like my little memory book. So here's some pictures, things like that. This was in our trip to Taormina. So what I'm going to do is, in this book, I love these colors. So pretty from this kit. So I'm going to use this like the washi and the stickers and stuff in this to document some moments here while I'm still in Italy. And then I cut this out because I had a Mente. I just thought this is so cute, and being in Italy, a lot of these colors, kind of vintagey colors, go really well. So I'm gonna use these. So this is like a kit of its own right here. So this goes there. I have a sticker holder. So I'm gonna replace this and use this sticker holder. And then I also wanna cut out a few tags because I feel like, once again, that reminds me of Italy. This is by Mente Papers. It's a tag book. So I just think that's so cute to add as accents to my memory keeping book. So I am about to swap all this stuff out, and then, okay, I'm back. It's the next day actually, and I have my stuff sorted out. So I decided these items, I'm not gonna use, I'm just gonna put these away because for one thing, it's like a celebrate theme. Maybe I can use that for my daughter's birthday week or something. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and put these away. And then this was like something free from Happy Scrappy. So I'm just gonna put that away for the fall. Okay, so here is my items that I am putting away. So I put my Valentine theme. Well, this is actually not Valentine theme. The other is like pretty much like Valentine theme, washi and things like that. So I will put that away for next year. And then I have like Mod Podge of like cards and things like that. This, I put the paper scraps, the letters, papers that I want to keep, even some like planner pages, paper. So I will save that, and it's nicely in here. Also, what's in here is just like a March kit from last year's spring. Since I'm not using any more Cocoa Daisy, this is the kit that I pretty much used to set up. And then I like kind of use that this year's kit that goes well. So, and that's like a this year February kit. So all that is going to be housed nicely in this iris container. Oh, I need to put this away. And I have my things sorted. So I just have kind of my sticker books and my paper on my desk. And then here's a sneak peek of some items that I am putting for the giveaway. I've already put some more items, but from this kit, these are some items that I am putting for the giveaway. And then here's my items. They're nicely organized. So this month I don't have as many die cuts. And these are actually sticky notes. I decided to go ahead and store my sticky notes back here, so I could just reach for these anytime. Then some die cuts, just notes. I decided to keep these in here because you can kind of use enamel dots anytime. And just some journaling cards. This right here, those little flags I put there. And then my stickers, a lot of them I put in here. So they're set up. And then here once again, so I like to keep the packaging like in case I want to make a pocket or make something out of it. So I just kind of put this in here for the month. I have these in case I make a pocket letter, some stickers. So, oh, also these are some stickers that I want to use up. So I have that in there. Some edgers, some little bow tags or tabs. And then these little things. So yeah, so that's how I have all my stuff, and I can just go through and look and see what I want to use. And then last but not least, I put my Planner Anonymous stickers in here so I can just reach for them. On my desk. Pull this up. And then my washi. So for this month, the washi that I'm going to use up, I'm going to use these 3 up for this month. And then I can accent with these. And then these go into my little memory keeping. And then I have this here to put my stickers back in when I'm finished with those. So that's how I have it all organized on my desk. And it's ready to grab when I need it for either my planner or my journals, those kind of things. So thanks so much for watching. And yeah, so that is my March kit. And my next video for my Stash Bash giveaways is stamping. So I am going to show you some things that I am doing with stamping. So if you'd like to see that, then come join me. So I hope y'all have a blessed day. Oh, sorry, last thing. And I also have my like thin washi if I want to accent anything with my thin washi. So thanks so much for stopping by. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.